In this video today, I'm going to show you exactly what a positive Cologuard is, what we found, and what we can do to make sure that your colon's taken care of. Howdy y'all, Dr. Islam, aka your poop guru and gut microbiome expert. Come see us, we can find out what's going on and get you taken care of. So a positive Cologuard is a new colon cancer screening test that a lot of people are doing to determine if they have colon cancer or colon polyps. Now a positive Cologuard can mean that something is growing inside your colon. So here's a case in which we had that. We had a 57-year-old guy come in who was asymptomatic, no problems whatsoever, had no symptoms, was feeling good, went ahead and did a Cologuard test that came back positive. So here's what we did for the colonoscopy. And here's what you can see, a very large polyp. This polyp is a growth in that colon that if this patient would have waited, would have gone on to cancer. We removed it, we took it out, he's now cancer-free. Here's what you need to know. Number one, get your colonoscopy taken care of because this could be what's going on in you. The most common symptom of a colon polyp, which is a precancerous lesion, is nothing. No symptoms whatsoever. And so this is why we do a colonoscopy starting at the latest at the age of 45 to make sure we can find it and remove it. Number two, the issue I have with the Cologuard is not the false positive, but the false negative. This is the issue. A false negative gives you the impression that everything is good. And there have been plenty of cases in which a false negative was seen and they actually end up having cancer or something grow in their colon. And so this is why 100% of all the GI doctors across the country recommend a colonoscopy over the Cologuard test because the colonoscopy is the most accurate test. And then number three, we do the colonoscopy so we can find the problem and remove it at that time. This patient was stressed out because he had a positive Cologuard. Somebody told him he may have cancer, and that may be true, but at least with the colonoscopy, I can find what's going on, fix it, and take care of it. He doesn't have to worry about anything else. And so my recommendation, get your colonoscopy, come see us, we can find out what's going on, make sure everything's doing okay, and get you taken care of. Well, thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you guys on more videos.